What's up, everybody? This is Derek Brewer, also known as D the Rebel, and today I want to talk to you guys about a nice new opportunity that just launched in April of 2019 called Xsinergia, and it's a company based out of Spain, and they're pretty much getting into the Forex market with their trading bot, and they're showing people how to use their travel and e-commerce platforms that they already had a reputable business for over 14 years. These guys have already been pretty much out there doing their thing for a limited time, which is great when it comes to owning a company. They've been out here running a business for over 14 years, two brothers. And they decided to come out with this trading bot to help people earn passive income. And they also put together a binary concept where you can get paid for every member you bring in and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm building my team. My team is growing. And I'm trying to show you guys how the power, just the power of 1%. They're willing to pay anywhere from 0.5 to 3% daily. And from what I'm seeing, I'm noticing an average of anywhere from 1% to 2.5% on a weekly basis. So that's pretty good. You cannot beat that. If you guys have been in programs like this and you understand that 1% daily is powerful, especially in the Forex market or any type of trading bot that's going on. If you can earn that much, think about it. Of course, with $100 startup, you're only making $1 a day. But say you get to the $1,000 mark, that's $10 a day. That's $50 a week. That's $200 a month extra income, passive income that you're making, guaranteed, without recruiting people, without doing anything. And with this opportunity, that $100 that you get, once it gets to $200, that's your money, and you get to reinvest that money and turn it into $400. You turn that $400 to you turn that $800 into $1,600, and so forth. You build off your money, and you also build off your team. That's what we try to show you guys, how to maximize your profits and flip it into to the point that where you get to the $10,000 mark and be making over anywhere from $100 to $300 a day. That's the goal. That's the main goal with Xsinergia. It's a great opportunity. This percentage that we're talking about is no joke. It's a great opportunity, and with their travel platform that you have access to, you have access. Let me show you. I can pretty much show you guys how you get access to their. If I go to quick links, I can go to travel. On this replicated site, you pretty much have the power of flying anywhere in the world, anywhere for the world, while you getting discounts, and end up you can buy your flights, hotels, everything with Bitcoin. That's huge. They accept Bitcoin. How many platforms do you know right now that's doing that? That's why people are jumping all over this. This is a very, very good opportunity. And pretty soon, everyone is going to be accepting Bitcoin. I know you see it all, pretty much anywhere you go. People are accepting Bitcoin. And this is just another company that's going to help people that's making money, that's making Bitcoin, be able to use their Bitcoin without just sitting on it. So that's important. That's also, and it's also important to learn about cryptocurrencies. They have a cryptocurrency academy that's going to show you how to trade. That's going to show you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. Xsinergia is a great opportunity to get in and learn and grow. So if you are interested in learning more, and just get on my team, get signed up. Let me show you some videos to get you started, get you promoting, get you building a team and making some passive income. If you are serious about doing that, let's talk. You guys have a great day. My name is Derek Brewer.